Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today in this video you can see the wardrobe design ideas with the color combination, with the double color combination for the wardrobe design ideas. Completely you can see in this video. You see the design with open shelf, with the cabinet doors, with the double color combination, with the white and gray, white and ivory, white and beige color, white and pink combination. You can see in this video. Friends, if you like this channel, please subscribe and support and watch full video. Then only you can get idea from this video. And thanks for watching. This is pink and violet color combination. You can see the profile handle. This is aluminum profile handle with the corner open shelf with the drawer unit. Straight cabinet design ideas. You can completely see in this video, friends. Thanks for watching. This is sliding door method with the dresser table, dressing table with mirror. You can see the combination color with white and gray. Something nice combination, simple design ideas with the double step cabinets, down and color combination. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Keep support and subscribe. You can see the sliding cabinets. It is simple matte design with the table and the size measurement. You can see in this video, friends. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thanks for watching once again. The color combination is very amazing. Simple ideas. You can get ideas from this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. These are all sliding door methods with the double step cabinets with the dash ups, base unit and wall unit also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and